Okay guys, I can't see anything on the screen because it's super bright outside. But it is Saturday, September 27th. We're going to surprise Nina. Well, I am, but Sarah, she already knows she's coming. But look at this nugget. Look at my travel companions. So cute. Guys, listen up. Look at how stupid cute this is. Puppies. Puppies. Very cute. Very cute. They were just being cute and now they've stopped. It's cool. They'll be cute all day today. Bye.
Who's here, Nana? Come here. I was just thinking. I was all like, she's at her family this weekend. Oh my god.
I am not at my family's this weekend.